Welcome back to Purposefully AI. Today we're diving into one of the smartest side hustles you can start now, using AI to build digital products faster. Most people take months to build a digital product and never finish because they overthink the idea or get stuck writing. AI removes these biggest roadblocks. Digital products are powerful because you build them once and can sell them over and over again. You build your product one time, and AI removes the biggest blockers like staring at a blank page or spending weeks writing content. With AI, you can generate ideas, create outlines, draft content, and refine what you've written in a fraction of the time. AI doesn't replace your creativity, it accelerates execution. Before opening your AI tool, you need clarity. The key is to solve one specific problem for one specific person. The fastest digital products to build with AI are things like templates, short guides, prompt packs, checklists, and planners. The key rule is simple. Solve one specific problem for one specific person. Specific products sell faster, and they're much easier to build than general guides. Here is the simple, practical AI workflow you can repeat over and over again. Step 1. Outline the product. Ask your AI to create a clear outline for a digital product that helps your specific person solve their specific problem. This gives you structure instantly. Step 2. Draft the content. Ask the AI to write each section in a clear, beginner-friendly tone, taking it one section at a time. Aim for completion in 1 to 2 hours. Step 3. Refine with AI. Instead of rewriting everything yourself, ask the AI to simplify the language, shorten sections, or add examples. The AI becomes your editor. Once the content is ready, it's time to move to the design and launch phases. For design, paste everything into Canva or Notion and use existing templates. Don't design from scratch, save your energy. You're not aiming for perfect, you're aiming for useful and finished. Using this system, you can create a sellable digital product in a single afternoon. Here's the crucial mindset shift that matters most for success. Your first product doesn't need to be your best product, it just needs to exist. Finished beats perfect every single time. Once done, upload it to Gumroad or Etsy. Use AI to write your product description and price it simply, usually between $9 and $29. The final stage is scaling your efforts, which is where real income grows. Pay attention to feedback. You can improve the product, bundle multiple products, or turn one product into an entire product line. AI makes iteration fast. If you want a clear starting point, download the free AI Money Starter Kit. Subscribe to Purposefully AI for more videos focusing on simple systems and real income.